This is Bumper to Bumper TV.
So what brings high-tech entertainment and mobility engineers together in one place to look at new products? The answer is stuff like this, the latest in cutting-edge electronics, some of which we can play with, others that can make our lives easier, and in some instances, take us to a world of fantasy. So what are companies like Bridgestone doing here?
So we're making that shift from passive components more to proactive solutions and more digital solutions as we go forward. And so we're showcasing things like that here at the show that focus on extending mobility of vehicles, increasing the efficiency of a fleet, and even increase safety of vehicles by making them smarter.
Automakers are also looking ahead, and in some instances are making the shift from mobility to high-tech firms. Toyota, for example, unveiled plans to build a smart city in Japan at the site of a former assembly plant. The Woven City, as it's being called, will be a working lab to test out delivery and mobility services for urban communities with the latest technology. Korean-based Hyundai is also playing in that sandbox, but is instead exploring modular mobility concepts that can also double as cargo transports or living space, using San Francisco as the template. A part of their envisioned future is a partnership with rideshare giant Uber and the development of a flying vehicle as an alternative for airport trips or other transportation hubs. For automakers, it's also a chance to see who's developing the next big thing in technology. Bosch is an example. The global firm has a reputation for fuel system electronics, among other things. This year, they literally unveiled an invisible sun visor for cars.
Most of the surface of this visor is composed of a transparent liquid crystal display. And at any given moment, almost all of this surface is transparent, like looking through a set of polarized sunglasses, and very little of the surface area is ever actually fully opaque. But that is the spot that lines up directly in front of the sun so that it can shield your eyes from direct blinding sun glare.
Of course, some other players were there touting future vehicles. Chinese automaker Byton showed what the company promises will be the ultimate luxury electric vehicle with full autonomous capability. Mercedes-Benz presented a concept inspired by the movie Avatar. As the automobile companies continue to morph into rolling computer and appliances, look for more innovations to be debuted at a show like this. I'm Greg Morrison.